Welcome YouTube, welcome to the credit game, and I hope everybody is having a great, right before New Year's we got coming up, and I've got some special news that I want to share with you that I think that most of you probably already know, but maybe some of you guys don't know this, and that is that the stimulus check from the government Trump signed on Sunday will be coming out today and or tomorrow all the way up till Tuesday. So I wanted to do something special, but first let me talk about the stimulus check. And this is free money, guys. Free money, right? Now, do we know the difference between earned income and passive income? Earned income is we go to work and we get a paycheck. We have earned that money. This money is not earned money. This is passive income, meaning it is given to you by the government for nothing, for free. Hey, I'm going to send you a check. So every person under the income of $75,000 in America will receive a $600 check. Now, if you are married or living with somebody in the same household, you will receive $1,200. And lastly, for every dependent up to 4, you will get an additional $600. So a family of 4, you guys are $2,400 of absolutely passive free money from the government. So congratulations to the government to be able to get that passed to help people through this hard time, if you want to call it a hard time. Some people take COVID and the down economy and springboard and actually do better. Some people complain about it and do worse, right? So we can either complain or we can take action and do better things. And so one thing I want to share with you guys is this. When you get passive income, meaning free money, you want to take advantage of the free money that's not earned income and make the best investment. Now, does anybody know what the best investment is? Do we believe it's stocks, bonds, cryptocurrency? Is it going to be real estate? Is it any of those? Best investment you can ever make. And by the way, if you invest with free money, it's much better because it's free money, right? Maybe you have to put a little bit in, but the majority of the money is free money, right? I'm going to share with you the best investment you will ever make in your entire life. The best investment you'll ever make is in you. In you. And here's why. People can take your real estate, they can take your heart, they can take your assets, they can take your stocks. The stocks can plummet, right? The cryptocurrency could fall apart. People that are investing in the marijuana, all of that, silver, gold, commodities, whether it's a bull market, it's a bearish market. I mean, it doesn't matter. All of that can be taken away, okay? And it's unpredictable. One thing that can never be taken away from you is knowledge. So when you invest in yourself to fix yourself, that's something that can never be taken away unless it's your time. And there's only one person that can do that, whatever the God you may serve that is, can take it from you. Other than that, you could strip me from everything, every house, every car, all the assets, everything. But you can't take away courage. You can't take away knowledge. The things that I've learned is something that nobody can take away. And so I implore you to say this. What you should do, strongly should do, is when you get free money, don't blow it on bullshit, right? Don't go out and buy new Nikes. Don't go out and buy new jewelry. You guys are going out and buying new phones. Take that money and invest it in you for your future. Stop looking at the short term like satisfaction and look at what is it going to do if I invest in myself so I can change the rest of my life. Because I'm going to tell you something, the gift that keeps on giving is financial stability. So I want to do something extra special for everybody who is a sub, everybody who is one of my followers. This is my way of giving back, just like the government's giving back. This is my way of giving back for the end of the year to close out 2020 to do something special for you guys. You're getting free money. Take that money and invest in yourself. My life doesn't change either way, whether you invest in yourself or not. I can only push you to a certain level to go, you know what? You need help. your credit score is under 800 and you're not financially secure, right? I'm pretty much talking to everybody. If that is you, here's what I want to do for you. Today, I'm taking 5 people with me, okay? 5 people on a journey to close out 2020 to say, you know what? Let's put bad credit behind us. Let's put the nasty finances behind us, right? Because remember, if you're getting a check, you're under 75K. That means you made under 75,000. How do I get you above 75,000? The way to do that is I have to help you with financial literacy education and to be able to boost your credit score up like crazy. Because the minute your credit score gets to 800, you are now valued at $100,000. That's my goal. So here's what I want to do. 5 people that say, you know what, Mike, you're absolutely right. I've been a mentor for hundreds of thousands of people and been able to change millions of people's credit. And they say, you know what, I am so thankful that I used back in spring when $1,200, everybody got $1,200 for the stimulus check. Do you know how many people invested in themselves to change their life, their financial and their credit? We had so many people's lives change through the credit game. And so what I want to do for you guys, and I can't do this for everybody as much as I want to help out. There's 335,000 of you guys you helped grow the largest credit channel in national history by your likes, your thanks, your love, and we're closing out 2020, and I want to do something like this. Here's what I want to do. Whether you've got your check or you're waiting on your check, whatever the case is, you know it's coming. If you're under 75,000, you're getting 600, their partner's getting 600, and every dependent child in your house under the age of 18 you'll get $600 for. So that you know the money's coming, it's a guarantee. Now, whether you have the money today or you don't have it today from the government, today's the special. So it's not next week, it's not next year, right? Today's the special. I'm taking 5 people. So if you have to put the money out and then wait for the free money to come back to you tomorrow or the next day, you're going to get it. It's guaranteed by Tuesday. Here's what I want to do. 5 people, I'm going to do a free $10,000 primary account that reports to all 3 credit bureaus, okay? And free elite credit repair. Results are under 90 days. Most times people are seeing results in 60 days or less. It is the fastest credit repair on the planet. There's only 4 people, including my vendor, that has access to the proprietary software to be able to do credit repair that fast. And that's because it is taken out of the equation of paperwork, no letters, quick, absolutely phenomenal fast credit repair. And I'm giving you 50% off aged trade lines that you can use for yourself, your family, your friends, your coworkers, or your clients. Let me recap. $10,000 primary, absolutely free. Elite credit repair, absolutely on the house. I'm paying for it. There might be a small audit fee, but I'm paying for the elite credit repair. It's a $2,000 service, guys. This is not the Bobo, monthly company where they're going to keep you on a hamster wheel for the next 8 to 12 months. Okay, you can forget about that monthly bull crap, right? If you want cheap, right, you don't go to Golden Corral to get a steak, right? You go to something like a Ruth's Chris or an Outback, somewhere better, right? If you want quality, you get quality work. If you want to pay on the monthly thing, they're going to keep you on the hamster wheel for 8 to 12 months, and you're going to be talking next year this time going, I wish I would have made some. I wish I would have, right? Biggest regret in life is being on your deathbed and say, I wish I would have. It's the 5 words you never want to ever say. I'm going to tell you something. Free elite credit repair, a $10,000 primary that reports to all 3 credit bureaus. This is a game changer, guys. I'm changing lives right here. And 50% off of trade lines. Okay, age trade lines. And the entire credit game system that you could use for yourself, your friends, your family, your coworkers, or your clients. And the proprietary letters are in there as well to change their lives as well. So you never have to pay a credit repair company. And you could literally start a credit repair business with the program that's here. This is the same program I use to go from 515 to an 829 credit score. I'm doing all that for the 5 people that get into the associates program today. 5 people. You get into the associates, everything else I just talked about will be absolutely free from me. Okay? So call me for the details at 904-420-7772. Again, I can't give everybody free elite credit repair. There's 335,000 of you guys that are on here that are going to be calling me that want this. Okay, but I can't give it to everybody. As much as I want to, I can take 5, maybe 6 people with me that say, you know what, Mike, I'm ready to change my life. I'm ready to close out 2020 and never look back, because we're going to do all the work for you. My vendor will literally do all the work for you with the elite credit repair. You'll have the entire platform. You'll have 50% off trade lines. And I'm including, for those 5 people, a $10,000 primary line, not an authorized user, a $10,000 primary line included today for the first 5 callers that call in. That's if you get into my associates program. Everything else I've covered for you. Call me now, because if you're watching this video, you want to call quick, because it's going to go like that. 904-420-7772. And hey, when you call in, say, I'm calling about the free $10,000 primary. That's how my team will know that you're calling about that, and they're going to take care of you. 904-420-7772. My name is Mike from The Credit Game. I'll be out there waiting for your call. See you in a few minutes. Take care.